Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Alicia. This is your first time here. If not, welcome back. Okay, so you guys know I do a lot of wig videos. I love them. Wigs have slowly become my favorite protective style because it's quick and it's easy. And I only keep them in or keep them for like a week and then I change out my hairstyle. So they've become a really quick protective style for me to put on. However, a lot of people were asking me, hey, how are you doing your hair, how are you maintaining your hair when you're wearing these wigs? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick, maybe 3 to 5 minute video on how I prep my hair and then how I maintain my hair while I am wearing wigs. So let's just get right into the video. So now my hair is probably about, I don't know, 50% wet. I'm gonna do the Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask. Once again, this is really good for hair and scalp relief. Really thick consistency. So I've got my hair pinned to one side. I'm just going to take some conditioner. Probably should have rolled up my sleeves. Here we go. And I'm just going to apply this conditioner. Like I said, my hair is about 50% wet. I could have done it on completely wet hair. I was doing some other things when I got through shampooing it. I was actually shampooing it in the shower, so by the time I got out of the shower, applied my makeup, it's 50% dry. So it is what it is. Let me show you guys. So this has the conditioner, doesn't have the conditioner. It was both 50% dry, so both sides of my hair were the same amount. You can clearly tell where the moisture from the deep conditioner is coming back into my curls. Whereas you see, let me hurry up and do this other side. I'm going to pin this back in no particular function. I'm going to take my deep conditioning cap, easy little foil cap I got from Target, put that back just a little bit because I need to put on my regular, because I need to go get some coffee. Alright, I'm back. I went ahead and rinsed it out. I was gone for about, not that long, so for about 45 minutes. So this probably stayed in my head for about 50 minutes, rinsed it out. And now I'm just going to go through the rest of the process and then get out of here because I've got a lot of things to do today. So, alright, so I'm going to be using the same thing, Head & Shoulders, their Royal Oils Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. This is what I'm going to do to moisturize the hair, and then I'm going to put it in 4 big twists. So let's just go ahead and get through that process. Thing that I'm using, which I absolutely love, this is probably my favorite thing in the entire collection, besides the co-wash. They do have a good co-wash. I didn't show that, but they have a good co-wash. Anyway, is the Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir, and I love it because it has a cooling sensation to it, and what I basically do is just apply it to my scalp, and I'll do this so now and then every other day that I have my hair in these twists. If you guys can hear that, it's like a spray. Ooh, a little cooling sensation. That feels so good. And I'll just take my fingers and kind of extend that into my scalp so I can get up under. And this, this is really good. This is what's really helped with my itchy scalp, especially in the summertime while I'm wearing these protective styles. Once I put on a wig cap, my scalp can get suffocated, and when it gets suffocated, it gets very itchy. So this has really helped to relieve that. And I'll do more in the back, because that's where, I don't know why, that's where I have itchy scalp the most. I don't know why, it's just targeted towards the back. But I carry this stays with me when I'm wearing a wig, because if I need like a refresher, I'll pop that wig off in a minute. So guys, that is it. I am simply going to just take these twists and just use bobby pins to kind of pin them in. I am going to put on my wig cap, and I am going to put my wig on. So I'll see you soon. Alright, so guys, I am done. Wig is on. You have seen this look before. I will put it in the description. But that's it. That's all I do. Like I said, I do apply the scalp elixir every other day, or if my hair does get itchy. If I feel my hair drying out, I will apply the daily moisturizer. I'll apply that like a greasing the scalp type. I'll do the same thing while I apply it to the scalp, and then use my fingers to make sure it gets to all the other parts. But that's it. This will last me. I normally will wear a wig for a straight week. I'll take it off at night, put a satin scarf on, and then in the morning do whatever I need to do, whether it's the scalp elixir or the daily moisturizer, and then go on about my day. Wigs have become my go-to protective style because they're super easy to do, and I'm not committed for like weeks at a time. That's a whole different thing. We'll get to that. I'll go ahead and put a couple of links, because I know that when I did a wash and go, a lot of people were saying, hey, when I click on the link, they're not able to get to all the products that I mentioned. So I'll make sure that I'll give you guys 2 different links to go directly to shop for the new Head & Shoulders collection. I love it. The price point is amazing for natural hair products. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget to check out all my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.